Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today, what am I flipping? Well, what am I flipping is the CJRB Pyrite Light. I found it on Amazon for $29.99. It has dual thumb studs and a button lock. You have a nice finger choice, so you can hold it like so, and like so. Button lock is very good to actuate. You won't accidentally press it unless you're deliberately pressing it. Centering is good. Has two-way clip, tip up, right or left. It's dark blue G10 and black coated AR RPM 9 steel. Steel just for CJRB. Hours of fidgety funness. Reverse flick. Go and then slow roll. And this, what am I flipping? The CJRB Pyrite Light. Another good knife in the Pyrite series. It has a lanyard area, lanyard slot, which I don't use. Let me know what you think of this knife in the comment section below, and if you have one, which one do you have and how does it work for you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.